Welcome to the Oculus Go. As you can see, there is a headset and a controller included in the system. You'll see a power button on top of the Oculus Go, and there's a light that indicates what is happening. It can be kind of a blue, red, or green. Your volume buttons are on the left top of the Go, and then on the side is your charging button. You can adjust your straps at the top or on the sides with Velcro. And you can also make sure that you have clean lenses, and then this piece actually can come out to be cleaned. The controller has 4 buttons, and you have a trigger button that you use your pointer finger with. There's a thumb pad that you can move around in the Oculus with, a back button, and an Oculus button. This will take you to the menu. Alright, let's go into the device and see what it looks like inside. You've already held the Oculus button to enter the VR environment, and you can actually see the buttons of the Oculus. You've got your Oculus button, your back button, your thumb navigator, and your trigger. And all you need to do is point and click the trigger to look at an app. You have a menu that is horizontal down at the bottom. This gives you things like home. You can look at the library of apps that you have available. You have a app store. You can look at a browser, so you can find 360 videos on there. Give voice commands, and you can search. You have a settings button, a sharing, where you can stream live to Facebook or cast to a TV or look at your camera roll. And then there's a social aspect as well as your navigation button, which is where we started. To access the Saving Lives app, you'll need to go to Navigate, Library, Unknown Sources, and click on this .com ILX Saving Lives VR.